But Texas in the new law.
Yeah.
He said he like, yeah, I'm about to go buy a pistol. I'm like, bro, that's not for felons. Like those laws still in effect.
No, you can't go get one.
I'm like, that's still in effect, bro. Like it's just saying that now you don't have to go to class to carry it.
That's it. But if you're a felon, you still can't have
Yeah,
one.
I told him. I'm like,
don't count for you, dude.
I'm like, all you gonna do is have one on your hip, and I'm like, having a gun gives the cop probable cause. I'm like, you know, probable cause is that gun stolen? Like, that's all he needs.
That's it.
You know, like, yeah, it's on your hip. Did you steal it? You know?
Nope.
And when he asks and he check the serial or he check your ID, you know, because you don't check your ID, and he see you a felon, you know, oh, come on, buddy.
Yep. I got a nice shiny set of bracelets for you.
Right? Nice and purty, just waiting.
And I guarantee they fit too.
Custom. Like, don't worry, we'll get you a new set. You get too big or small.
Yeah, that's right.
We accommodate. Hey, it's ridiculous.
Side?
Yeah.
Okay, you just kind of use flippers and go around. You know, for fishing. My buddy worked for Home Depot, and when I was in Arizona, we built 2 of those out of big blocks of styrofoam.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we took some of that. Oh, that. You see that guy on TV talking about that rubber sealant you spray on anything?
Yeah.
We took cans of that and sprayed that styrofoam.
Does it really work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were floating around in the pond on them.
Cause I used some, and I haven't had a leak, but it was small. I was cleaning, wasn't anything big.
Yeah.
But you know, I be seeing it on TV. Oh yeah, you can stop your roof leaking.
Yeah.
Like,
and stuff is cool. And now they've got one that's actually it comes in a roll.
Oh yeah, I've seen that one.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That stuff is really cool. I patched the bottom of a boat with that.
Yeah?
Yeah, canoe.
I've seen that stuff.
This guy hit a stump while he was out canoeing and knocked a hole big enough to stick your thumb in.
Oh, fuck.
And I took some of that on the inside. He went back out the same day.
How does that work? Does it work like tar? Like it gets hot and okay.
Yeah, it's just like it, but it's whatever's in it is 10 times stronger than tar is. This stuff is so cool.
No shit.
Yeah, I was like, wow, that's badass.
Yeah, man. I like seeing just things out of the ordinary. That's always fancy.
But it just amazes me what people do. Some of the shit they come up with.
Yep. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's what it was. That carburetor ain't been scrubbed in a while.
No, probably never since she bought it.
Yeah, that'll happen. That gas and oil get to solidifying in there.
And this stuff causes it to gum up.
Yeah, I got one time where it was like Play-Doh in the tank.
Really?
Just straight, just mush.
Oh wow. I mean, I've taken tanks apart before where the gas is crystallized.
Mm-hmm.
But I've never seen it where it was like Play-Doh.
Yeah, I pulled it out and it was like, wow. And I was able to like just with a spoon, just pull it out.
Oh wow.
I was
yeah,
like,
we couldn't
man.
figure out, we had one tank, we could not figure out what was going on. And we finally cut it in half. And the whole bottom of the tank was probably this thick.
Mm-hmm.
It just crystallized.
Oh wow.
The pump was sitting right in the middle of it.
It just stuck.
Yeah, it was stuck. It wouldn't move, it wouldn't do anything. I was like, well, that ain't gonna work.
Oh wait, I'm missing a step. There we go.
We need to set you up with a workbench.
You know, I had one before we moved out here. I built, and there was the workbench I was using built, taking apart the straight 6 I got. And when we moved, it didn't fit in the U-Haul.
So it had to stay.
Yeah, I built it out of just plywood and 2x4s. So it wasn't. I could build it again. It wasn't like, oh, I need it. It wasn't nothing special. It was just big with 4x4 leg posts. Made sure it was stout.
Well, when I get the van cleaned out, I got a tabletop. It's actually a desktop that came off a desk that I'll bring you.
Oh, right on my one buddy.
You can make a workbench out of it.
He just made a bench out of an old table. Or old door.
Yeah.
He was doing somebody's house.
Well, this lady, the lady actually is the realtor. She bought an old...
Yo, that was easy. All right.